Snap. Does it have a flux capacitor? So where are we going?
You keep saying that, and my instinct is to say Mordor every time.
Well, stop.
Throw it into the fire. Throw it into the fire.
Some potatoes.
Salted pork. The salted pork is particularly good. Salted pork.
While we're here, that'd be great. Thanks.
Everybody get off the deck!
It's a video.
Is it? Is it a video?
It is. The aliens. Remember when I said they built the pyramids? Still a thing.
All the damn aliens.
Aliens built the pyramids. I heard it on a channel.
No, it's the Transformers that are here.
Those are aliens though.
Technically.
Yeah.
"35 feet down, bedrock, solid stone, began pouring concrete. You haven't heard how they poured this concrete? You're gonna love this part. Oh, 7 days a week they poured concrete, 3 8-hour shifts. Hold on, get.
Hey! Why'd she say hi to you and not to me? What the hell?
Had a conversation.
Oh, did you?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
17.
15, 16, 17, 18,
Just,
19.
he called my number like a fox. Mind blown. Ooh, did you feel that?
Right.
It's kind of creepy. America.
Laid to the bottom, copper coil of wire, it excites or produces electrons. That goes up to the transformer. Take a picture of that.
Are you getting a butt shot of me right now?
No.
From here, you get a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead,
That's where they keep
the dam.
the aliens.
As you look over the railing, you will see the tallest concrete dam in the Western Hemisphere. Hoover Dam stands 700.
You guys. This is where they keep the aliens and the Nazis. Ooh, yes. This is the one. Damn.
Forced by the pressure of all.
Beach. Man.